Hi, I'm Elliot, a conservationist for the National Botanic Garden of Wales. I want to tell you about Growing Together, the Botanic Garden's new and exciting research project we've created with Swansea University and want you to get involved with. Growing Together is all about growing wildflowers, volunteering and being part of an online community group. All you need to do is grow wildflowers at home. It's that simple. We'll send you a free wildflower pack containing 5 different species for your home and garden. You don't need to be a garden expert to get involved, just enjoy watching your plants grow.
And once your wildflower seeds have flowered, you can collect the seeds and we'll use them to brighten up NHS hospitals and clinics. And you can join our Facebook community group where we'll be sharing wellbeing tips and online training on how to turn your garden into a wildlife haven. And for our research, all you need to do is fill in a short questionnaire at the beginning, middle and end of your Growing Together journey. It's as simple as that. Growing Together is the largest wellbeing study of its kind and you can be part of it. So if you'd like to get involved and join Growing Together, please follow the link to sign up.